Hello students, welcome to my channel Kamal Sidhu. Today we are going to discuss Human Resource Development, that is HRD. We will discuss its features, objectives, process and challenges faced by Human Resource Development process. So subscribe to my channel Kamal Sidhu for easy and precise lecture sessions for BBA, BCom and MBA. The human resource development or the HRD is a process by which the organization focus on improving the knowledge, ability, skills and other special talents of its employees. Through HRD process, the organization can develop the skills, the competencies, knowledge and attitude of its employees. We can say that human resource development enables the alignment of the individual goals with the organization goals so that both the employees or the organizations go in one single direction. Then human resource development also creates a proper working environment for the employees within the organization. For a better understanding of the HRD concept, let's discuss the key features of human resource development. So HRD process is an employee centric process where the employees are treated as the most valuable asset for the organization. So in order to improve the organizational working, the main focus is laid on developing human resources. Then HRD also help the organization to develop their capabilities in relation to present job, which help in their career growth. All these things lead to better utilization of resources, which is beneficial both for the employees as well as for the organization. Then relation between the employee and employer improves with this process, which help in developing the trust and confidence among the employees and the employers, or we can say that a team spirit gets promoted with the better relations between employee and the employers. Then HRD is comprised of different subsystems that help the organizations in their working. These subsystems help in motivation, training, developing and career planning of the employees. We can also say that HRD process is a systematic and continuous learning process as development of the employees or the individual takes place throughout the life of the individual. The main focus of human resource development is to solve the human source problem that hamper the working of the organization. So these are the main features of human resource development concept. As we have discussed in the definition part, the main objective of human resource development is to enhance the effectiveness of the organization. So various techniques are applied to develop the human resources. Then the process of training and skill development and knowledge of employees is developed. With proper and updated training, the employees can develop their working skills in order to accomplish organizational goals in a better way. Then human resource development also help in developing employees' career. The career planning and career management are given proper focus to help employees to achieve their career growth. Another important objective of HRD is to assist the organization and employees to meet growing changes in the business environment. The employees are motivated through various proper training programs so that they can adapt themselves to the changing working environment. The training also removes fear among the employees regarding the use of new technology and machines. But remember, all these training programs should be based on the needs of the employees. We can say that all these things will develop a proper and a healthy working environment that will promote the creativity and innovation in the organization. So we can conclude that for achieving proper growth and sustainability, the organization should focus on developing its human resources as per the current business needs. The process of human resource development is very simple. It starts with a need assessment. So at this stage, the need to train or develop employees is identified. Then second is the design stage. At this stage, we identify the process or the technique which we will use in order to train our employees. Then third step is the implementation, where the training or the development process is carried out. Then final is the evaluation. So the employees are evaluated on the basis what they have learned during this training or the development process. So we will have a detailed lecture session on various techniques which can be used in human resource development process, which will be shortly available on my YouTube channel. At last, let's discuss the challenges which are faced by HRD process. These challenges can arise due to change in technology. As with technological advancements, the employees are required to be trained so that the adoption of a new technology takes place in an easier manner. The workforce demographics are also a major challenge, as people from different places, gender, age groups work together in an organization, and each one has a different needs and motives. So managing and developing such a diverse workforce is quite difficult. The motivating of those employees is also a major hurdle for human resource development. Then the salaries, the wages, the compensations also are a major problem for HRD process, as the priorities of all the employees are different from each other. The employees' demands and needs also change with the prevailing business scenario. Then the retention of highly potential employees from being poached by the competitors and developing a sound leadership are also the major challenges that are faced by the current business organizations. And finally, in order to compete in this global competitive market, the human resource development system has to remain updated as per the changing trends. And finally, we can say that although the globalization has removed the geographical barriers or the boundaries, but the culture, the traditions, the languages are still quite different from each country. So, which is also a great challenge for the human resource development department. So, this was all in today's lecture session related to human resource development. Thank you.